Customizable ESD PVC flooring tiles are increasingly popular for facilities needing both precise static control and the flexibility to adapt to unique functional and aesthetic requirements. 1. Tailored conductivity levels. Manufacturers can produce static tiles with varying levels of static conductivity, allowing for precise ESD control tailored to the specific needs of a facility. Conductive layers or carbon elements can be adjusted to match exact specifications, ensuring that each tile delivers consistent performance. 2. Colors and patterns. ESD control flooring no longer has to be limited to basic colors or industrial looks. Modern customizable ESD tiles allow facilities to integrate their brand's identity or specific design preferences. 3. Sizes. Standard anti-static tile sizes may not always be suitable for every space. Custom-sized anti-static vinyl flooring tiles can be produced to fit irregularly shaped rooms or to minimize the number of cuts and waste during installation. 4. Durability and thickness. Customizable ESD vinyl tiles offer flexibility in thickness, allowing for enhanced durability in heavy-duty environments like manufacturing. Thicker wear layers also extend tile lifespan, making them ideal for high-traffic areas. These variations provide an option for industries looking to balance cost with longevity. Customizable anti-static PVC flooring tiles provide a versatile solution, blending safety with design flexibility, durability, and sustainability. These static control tiles can be tailored to the exact requirements of a facility, making them ideal for industries ranging from electronics manufacturing to healthcare, corporate, and retail environments.